show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you.
What's up, guys? I'm here with ISEEhair once more, same packaging as usual. So let's see what's in today's package. So I see the wig first thing, and not much. I got a pair of lashes, I got like an information card, and I got a wig cap lastly. So let's see what today's wig is. Let's jump into, oh, we have some Mongolian here, 220 density. Okay. Oh, and by the way, we're working with inches. It's 28 inches long, and it's some water wave here. All right, so this is what we're working with. Feels very full. So remember, I showed you guys that it is 28 inches. Yes, you know, usually with curly hair, you have to stretch it to see the length, but it's not really giving 28 inches even when stretched. It's giving probably more 24, 25. Because I've had 26 and 28 inches like in a week before, and this is definitely giving shorter. So I don't know, this is the second week that since recently I'm doing that, you know, it's stated 28 inches, but it really is not giving that. But in terms of the feel of the hair, it feels really strong, it feels really soft, and it's very full. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really pretty, and it's a 13x4 full-on lace front. It's 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and you could go in and, you know, tint this, like, you know, bleach it and tint it, all that stuff, because it's not already done, and it's very, very, very lightly pre-plucked. So that's how it looks. It's full to the tip. Am I getting shedding? Very minimal, not a lot at all, not a lot. So now that you've seen that, let's go ahead and put this on. Let's go. So you guys see how full this wig is? I can't express to you how soft the hair was. Like, it feels so good. I was so pleased with the texture. It's really nice and soft. I love the luster. You know, I got shedding. I definitely got shedding, which is expected. And so, you know, with these kind of textures, I always say, even though it's easier to like maintain in a sense where, you know, you don't have to worry about curling it and straightening it, you want to ensure that you get up on a daily and detangle this, because you see, if you wait like days upon days before you detangle a curly texture, it will be a lot of work to get back to its initial state. And so, and that will also, you know, detangling it on a daily basis will help with less shedding. So yeah, so I'm using Got2b for the install. As you can see, I already started off with doing that, and I am, as you can see, I'm installing this wig straight out of the box. I mentioned before that, you know, you could definitely go ahead and tint and bleach this lace just so that, you know, to further customize it to your liking and stuff. But I'm also doing this for the people out there who really don't probably have the time or is not so versed on that as it, and I always try to do that for most of my installations. You know, I'm always trying to give you guys an easier way out. So yeah, and then I went around the hairline with my extra elastic band, well with my elastic band, and you know, this is a step that helps to just ensure that the wig stays in place and looks even more melted in the hairline. And you know, it's just a step that I love doing. And I did a center part today, nothing serious. I mean, it's really nothing serious, it's just kind of to the point. And I got my wax stick as usual to get this laid and nice and flat at the top. Look at that volume. If you want, you could definitely go ahead and rock this hair as is with how nice and voluminous it is, but you know, it's a lot of hair. The time is hot, and I decided that, you know what, you guys know my go-to. I went ahead and I wet it up for you guys, but I also wanted to show you guys it in its wet state. After all, it's a wet and wavy hair texture, so I thought it was only right to show you guys in its wet state as well. So that's what I'm doing. And yes, pretty much it. All I applied to it was water, by the way. I didn't add anything to the water because I wanted it to get back that poofy, voluminous look. Yeah, I was really loving that. So yeah. guys, it turned out so pretty. It was quite easy to install. Looks good. I did my little swoops. You know, you don't have to, and as I said, you could go further, you could pluck this further, you could go ahead and bleach it and tint it, but I'm showing you that you got options. You got options. The hair is really nice and luscious. As you can see, all I added to this was water because I wanted to get back the volume. I wanted to get back that volume because it's really, really pretty. So I didn't want to weigh it down with like products and stuff. You know, I'm not going for the full-on wet look. So I'm perfect with it like this. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig as well as all the specifications in my description box. So go ahead and check that out. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Another gorgeous wig. You know, it's really nice. It's really nice. Look how full it is to the tip. So I'm very content. I'm very pleased with how this turned out. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.